We didn't sleep much on our honeymoon either, if you know what I mean.
Yeah, because this guy would not stop snoring.
I do not snore.
Yes, you do.
Yes, you do.
And how do you know that Nick snores?
Well, because
Because when we went on that group camping trip, I could hear Nick snoring through their tent.
camping, yes.
Bullshit. Our tents were way too far apart. I had to hop over a creek to sneak into theirs.
I'm sorry, Brian, why the fuck were you sneaking into our tent?
I had to. She asked me for a pencil, and I did. Don't change the subject on me. Why does my wife know that you snore?